My name is Oscar and I'm from Aussie Aussie, and today I'm going to be showing you my Destria Pro. My Destria Pro isn't stock. I've changed aluminium parts down the front and I've got new tyres, 100 amp fan, bigger battery, stock steering servo engine, waterproof electronics, which is great. When it comes to the body, it's completely stock. I've got custom stickers on it, shout stickers, Driftkins Macca's shell. I've got a GoPro mount. I've got Proline stickers 360. I've got an L plate on the back. I'm not so sure about that one. My car has the stock controller, but I've got a special zip tie on it just so when I floor it, it doesn't go all the way, because if it does with these tyres, if you floor it all the way, it flips. Pretty insane.